for all ancestors of the Gullah Geechee Nation, from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki, to Jacksonville, Florida, who been in them one, what been a steady field for truth, because they been a plant this your seed, but this your day, for all of we had this your place for stay. Things and helping families to realize what they can do to hold on to their heirs' property. Now I know some of y'all saying right now, Queen family got heirs' property. We know we have to do something because them children will sell. You do not need to sell. Let me tell you what happens when you sell. Okay, y'all ever heard this statement? It's better to teach a man to fish than to just feed him a fish for the day. Well, when these people approach you with a check to say, let me buy your land, they trying to take your fish sandwich from you. They don't want you fishing consistently on your own, because eventually you'll realize you can not only feed yourself, you can store up some of that fish and somebody else can eat when that fish ain't even in that creek. You could start selling fish, which means you could make money, which means you could reinvest, and then you could do more stuff, and you could own boats, and you could own a fleet of boats, and you could teach other people to fish. And now you have an enterprise and an empire that would feed people for generations. So that's what happens. When you take that one check, it's a one-off, and you the one who's gonna be off, because you're gonna be the one off the land.